Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a hammer. You don't really know you are.
Hey y'all, happy Saturday. It's Valentine's Day right here in Jamaica. So happy Valentine's Day to all my lovers and my non-lovers as well. You know, love the excitement. The baskets and the flowers and the roses and the chocolate. But we're gonna have quite a few errands to run today on the road. So I'm gonna take you along with me. So if you haven't get a chance to subscribe, definitely go ahead to subscribe, like and comment down below and let me know. Leave a heart in the comment section and I also leave back a heart for you. And to my husband, we got 2 flowers, so one for me and one for Manchiba. For meal centered, yeah. You have to do like a DIY something to put in the water to keep. At Chapco Plaza, then we're gonna go buy the Alex. Pretty for baby girl, but I put not so not there as this.
Okay. Oh,
Socks, comfort. You like this as well?
yeah, they're okay.
They're pretty. But baby girl outgrew these. She outgrew these. That's pretty. I maybe get a smaller size. Carrier 7, yeah, it depends on the 7 slot, but that's at the boy side. It is. Yeah, look a purse and a glass. Hi y'all. We're in ready. We're in red.
Nice.
But where that one go to?
The same way though?
It could. Like a jeans. I'm gonna say, alright. I want to look in the mirror with it. There's a mirror on my seat.
Yeah.
Dig it.
Yeah, that day.
Love is in the air. Thank you, husband. We had to switch the playlist to come to the one at Manor Park, which I think is the first time being up here. But let's see. Playlist. Like this one. Let's give it mama bag. Let's give it mama a baby bag. A little bit thin. So we came to Manor Park playlist, but the problem is hubby find 1 foot at the Manor Park and the next set of shoes is at the Constant Spring location. So now we're at the Manor Park. We only can get 1, but I guess we pivot this point. But I should have asked them to scan to see if Manor Park have both locations. But I wasn't thinking. I was not thinking. But anyway. You get that one. The next time we can always come back to get something else.
This good. I love this.
Take it up then. I still have a mixture of the black, brown, cream, and brown.
Combination, just different.
Or the, oh yeah.
Yeah.
And that's it? Okay. Eh? I haven't have island grill since Melissa. I got fries, but I don't feel like more on the rice. I'm getting this one for baby the red rice as well. It's a little bit pretty. You can use it to nurse all of us.
Yes, I know we have good cooking.
Proper meal. First, not come by this side here. Alright, then bye.
Welcome to Charles.
Thank you. You get a discount for Valentine's Day?
No, man, I'm not at welcome.
So we got you at Payless. Stop at Island Grill. I just had my sandwich. Just a regular chicken sandwich combo with fries and some Gatorade. And I get some stuff for baby girl at child's play as well. So we're heading back home in Portmore. Portmore, I pick you guys back up to get the rest of stuff that I have. So hubby and baby girl stuff started out. Just mommy stuff and then the little nick snack that we're gonna need for later today. Trying to haberdashery because when you go to get some nice stuff at an affordable price. Because just imagine you just moving off, get three of these glass, have wine glass, and get a tree. These are actually nice. Because like this is for everything. It's like a shoes rack to put shoes in and stand. Like sometimes I come in here, I feel like I want to rebuild home all over again. Guys, we got you a little tiny haberdashery. Spend money where I'm not supposed to spend, but I've got you for in shoppers here getting a few items to get out back quick. So come. I'm thinking of getting something like this for to make the pizza. I have my list. I'm not sure if it's maybe too small. I definitely know I'm coming back for one of these. Because I'm going to tap in a little in my baking girl area. Let me see which one is 2000 something. And I also want one of these to bake in. But they're not necessity now. They're not needed now. So I'll leave those. Spicy one, spicy and home style. At the supermarket, okra, skeleton and thyme, pumpkin, coconut milk powder, katsu, pepper. Those are for mommy to go in a basket. And this is this for me. And I think that's a wrap. So we're back home. So I'm just going to do a quick mini haul of the stuff that we get because when I stop at Shoppers here, I could get a recording because there was too much. Yeah. So this one is from the haberdashery store that I stopped by. In there was a little bit jam pack, so I couldn't get to do what I couldn't get to record to like share with you guys. Yeah, so that's what I have. So for this Said I was going to buy anything. I promised myself that. But you know, when you buy soft stuff, you get it. So this is a little flowers vase. I wanted it in like a gray or black, but I got it in like a whitish color, which is not bad. At the haberdashery, so I can put like flowers in it and put it on the dining table. That was like $198, which was not bad. If I maybe had more table, I would get like more, but in different color. But it's fine. I also got this tray. I have a bigger size for this one, so I wanted like a smaller one. I did get that, and I got one of these bags for my sanitary stuff. If you know, you know. So it come with 3 pieces. It come with this little pouch. Come with also this little one, and then this big one as well, so I can put my girl stuff in. It's not bad. And then I got probably 2 belts, a brown and a black one. They're pretty much thick, if you ask me. Yeah, they're thick. So I got black and brown, so that he has these for work or church. These are like $8.50, which for the quality of what they are, they're really good. And then I got one of these little fragrant mist. This one come with sprinkles in it. When I smell it, it actually smell good, and it have the little sprinkle on your body. It smell good to me, but you know, sometimes these don't. They smell like good, and then when you start wearing it, kind of smell funny. And then I got just maybe 4 pair of socks for hubby. These are for church, because for me, see the quality, they don't look good, but I just got them just to have sake for like churches. And then I got a bonnet for baby girl. I know she always take off mine, so I saw one, so I said I'm gonna just try to see how this one look before I give it. Yes, baby, it's yours. But I go ask grandma to wash it. And then I got this little one to put like flowers. We got rose today, which I had shown you guys earlier, so hopefully we can maybe drop them down in it, or maybe use the bigger vase. But I got one. And this is also another pair of socks for hubby. I didn't know church socks don't normally match the outfit, right? And then I got a Dove body wash as well. And that sums up the order for the Chinese haberdashery store in Pomo. I think it's at Black Sea. Pomo Mall, Black Sea. Shoes. I think I'd already show you the shoes that we got for hubby. So we got buy one get 50% off, which is this one. So I actually love these type of shoes, because you know, like you're going for a nice little dinner instead of sneakers every day, you can actually wear these. So he got these too, because you know, they need to be celebrated too, not just today day, but you know, leave the stuff there, mama. No, please, no. And then this one. No, I give you what I bought you. I'm not ready to give you your gift. And then you got this one as well. Why are you beating me up? No. What? I don't want to lift you up, because you know you genuinely don't want to come to me. You don't want me. So I have pumpkin, skeleton thyme, okra, katsu, coconut milk, season. And these are like dry seeds that we're going to use up now. Mommy did went ahead and something did the fish for me, clean them up, so we're gonna rub them up, clean them up. They kind of look oldish, but we're gonna work with them and get them started out now. I have some steam, some fish. So we're gonna season up our fish now. I did actually went and lie down, get some rest, so it's kind of a little bit late. So majority of the plans that I have for today, I'm gonna scrap to tomorrow, because who's gonna know? Yeah, so let's go and prop up the fish with me.
already have a winner bar. So we have that now. And then we're gonna. Well, I guess you want to put one at the side since the garage basically. Oh yeah, I see what you mean now. My garage I got take up, so then I got not really fresh here. Yeah, I think so. I think so, husband. I wasn't thinking like that. Come and say no, you know. But then the garage come. I'm gonna add the cock soup and the little mix of it. Pay attention to where you're gonna look at. Salt. Yeah, some chickens pop something for mama and it is salt, so never get it. Or never buy not. Remember Chinese we did buy the day there. Invest in them products so you can put that one. Give them things expensive. Steam piece is done.
I just keep it real, everyone.
High volume.
Am I really that much?